Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Baking and Buttercream, and in this episode, today we are making pecan muffins. So, let's take a break and bake. The ingredients you need are 1 cup of chopped pecans, 1 cup of brown sugar, half of a cup of melted butter, half of a cup of flour, and 2 eggs. For decoration you need 3 cups of powdered sugar, 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So today for the pecan muffins, it's a very simple recipe. So the first step, you're gonna go ahead and take your pecans and add it into a large bowl. Then go ahead and add your brown sugar and your flour. Now mix that all up until everything is well incorporated. Go ahead and add in your butter and then your eggs and mix that all together. You want this to be well combined, that way there's no leftover flour in the bowl. So if you need to, take a spatula and go ahead, scrape down the sides, scrape the bottom to make sure that everything is evenly mixed. Now go ahead and put those into some muffin tins or cupcake tins. You want to fill them up to about 2/3 of the way full. Now put those into the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. And while those are in the oven, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So please continue to share my channel with your friends. That way we can get some more subscribers. And I also want to say thank you so much for reaching over 375 subscribers. And so yeah, thank you so much for subscribing. And don't forget to leave a comment down below about another video that you'd like me to make in the future. Alright, so now that the muffins are all done baking, go ahead and pull them out and put them on a cooling rack. And while those are cooling, we're going to go ahead and make our frosting. This is a pretty simple cream cheese frosting, but we're adding some cinnamon to it. That way it can have a cinnamon flavor because the cinnamon goes well with the pecan muffins. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and cream together your cream cheese and your butter in a stand mixer until everything is well incorporated. After that, go ahead and add in your vanilla and your cinnamon and slowly add your powdered sugar and whisk that until everything is well combined and light and fluffy. After your cupcakes are all done chilling, go ahead, put your frosting inside of a piping bag and pipe your frosting right on top. I topped my pecan muffins / cupcakes with a few pecans right on top just to give it some extra pecan flavor and because pecans are good decorations. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, there's 2 more videos right here. The top video YouTube recommends, I recommend this bottom one, and click the baking and buttercream icon over here to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, leave a comment down below about what you want me to make in the future. See you guys in the next video.